I wanna start with your mom and she should've whipped your ass. Girl, you ain't shit, but she don't care 'cause you lit. Paying for trips, cars, bags, and bought the crib. She never call you out, she like the way that you live.
Walk up, style clean. Why my girl, let me know you. Walk up, style clean. You a pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl. Why my girl, you a pretty girl.
What's up, y'all? I'm Kahleiaeloria. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all can tell by the title what today's video is going to be all about. Y'all can see my hair not done, my face beat, my nails are done, I got a cute little dress on. Baby, my hair is not giving, but we about to get it together. So y'all, I'm going to be doing a review for Olymei hair today, and y'all, I received a braided wig, okay? And y'all, I was like so impressed with this wig. I have no idea. So it came in a black little bag like this. It also came with little hair gems. Let me show y'all. They're gold, little gold things, a wig cap, and also some eyelashes. Now y'all, we're not even gonna need this wig cap, and I'm gonna show y'all why. So y'all, this is a beautiful 36-inch braided knotless freaking Swiss lace wig, y'all. OMG, do y'all see that? It's like meshing already. I need y'all to get into it. Get into it. Okay? Like these. Y'all see these triangle knots? Okay? Triangle. Hold on. Let me have y'all see. So y'all, this wig also has triangle parts, if you can see. You're probably gonna see it better once it's on my head. Y'all, this wig is 36 inches. It is synthetic braided knotless wig. They have triangle parts on here, so it's gonna be so freaking cute. It also comes with baby hairs, and they was not stingy with the baby hairs, okay? Full Swiss lace, so all around we're gonna give scalp, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. And y'all, it is super lightweight. You would think a braided wig is heavy, and it's not. It's really not. And when I get my natural hair braided, sometimes they are heavy, and who got time for that now that we got braided wigs? Okay, who about to be sitting for that long now that we got braided wigs? So let's just go ahead and get into it, y'all. The inside has 1, 2, 3 combs on the inside, 2 on the front, 1 in the back. I don't know if I'm going to take the comb out or not, but however, I am going to be taking out the elastic band that comes in it, because y'all, the wig is average size, which is mostly like 22 inches. My head is like 22 and a half, so it's a little larger, so it's a little snug. So I'm not gonna need this at all, but it has it on there if you need it. You can also wear this glueless because it's gonna be snug in your head. You got the elastic band. I might glue mine down because I might be wearing her for the week. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is the wig on my head. Y'all see? Yeah, she's giving scalp. She's giving scalp already. Triangle parts is triangling. So cute. But we're about to go ahead and lay this wig. Y'all, I got a big head like I said, but we are about to make it show work. So I am going to be spraying some of this tint lace on the inside. I got the color medium brown, so this is Eben New York. I got it at my local hair store, $6.99. So we're gonna spray it all in the cap. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace also, and then we're gonna install it, y'all.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. out. You make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's true indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah,
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Okay, so can we get into it or can we get into it? Bitch, I just left the shop. I just left the shop. Okay, so y'all see this? Okay, baby, my wig is laid. My baby hair's laid. Okay, bitch, you can't stop me. I look and feel good. Like, I look, want to call up all my dudes right now and be like, how you feeling my braids? I didn't know you want to get your hair braided. Bitch, I didn't. This a wig. So, y'all, I feel like there's not really a wig on my head. Like, it's super lightweight. Like, this is wild. I really love how natural it is. And y'all, these triangle parts, quit playing. It just gives the style like you know, so much better. So some of the braids are sewn into the part, like the area, just so it will lay right. I do not suggest you guys cutting the thread on the braids. Like, if you can see, like this one, I can't really move it because it's sewn in, but that's to protect, you know what I'm saying, to wear. So I'm just gonna slide that right behind the ear, and we're gonna go ahead and finish putting these braids up. So I really love how versatile these are. I can wear it up, half down. And y'all, if the braid ain't going in place, don't force it. But yeah, this cute. This is really giving what it needs to give. So I'm gonna stand up and show y'all how long the hair is. Let me put everything to the middle. I could have lined it up for a middle part. I don't really think I was paying attention, honestly. But let me try to make it as even as possible. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Okay, let me show y'all. She long, y'all. I'm 5'8". I'm a big beach. And it looks so freaking good. Like, this is my signature style, this. Y'all, I'm so in love with this. This is so cute. But if y'all have any questions, please leave them down below. Of course, the link will be in the description bar. So I did decide to glue this wig down. I was using this can until I ran out. So then I went to the yellow one, but the black is the best, y'all. I see a lot of the girls use the red one, but the black is the best. Especially if you follow it with some got to be. Baby, this wig ain't going nowhere, okay? Now, I chose to glue mine down and actually do my baby hairs because, you know, I was trying to get that look. But you definitely can just throw this wig on your head and go. I really like the Swiss lace in this. Like, I didn't have to do a ball cap. Like, that saves so much time and energy not having to do the ball cap method, guys. So the Swiss lace is definitely an A++. And I believe this wig on the website is like $156 to $157 in that range. But y'all, it's 36 inches braided all the way down. Okay, these braids are very beautiful. Let me turn around the back and show y'all. Hell, I don't even know what the back look like, but y'all let me know what it's looking like.
Woo! Look at the bitch braids.
And anybody gotta be all back there like that. Okay, long as it's covering. Long as it's covering. That's all I need to give. Okay, scraping my leg up. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and make sure you check the link down in the description bar. Peace.